The sanding pad both holds the sandpaper and provides a flat surface for sanding. The pad uses adhesive-backed paper. Over time, the pad will wear out. It will become nicked around the edge if it is struck against something while sanding. The vinyl surface will eventually rip free from the foam pad. Replacing the sanding pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old sanding pad from the sander. I'll lock the spindle with the wrench that came with the sander. Then I can unscrew the pad. Now I can install the new pad. I thread it onto the spindle, and again I'll use the wrench to tighten it. And that's how you can install a new sanding pad on your sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.